Penny with Swiss Watch Expo. Today I'm going to be trying on and looking at the size difference between these three great Cartier Panther watches. The one on the left is the 22mm small, the one in the middle is the 26mm mid-size, and the one on the right is the 29mm large. I think these watches, especially in the stainless steel version, are a great everyday piece. They mix really well, they feel very casual, and I really love the square look of these watches. This is the 22mm small, and I think this is a great size. I'm very partial to these little tiny Cartier watches. I think they look really cute. And this one I think is a great piece to just wear every day, to be this really thin, kind of low profile watch to wear. But if you want something a little bit larger, obviously the mid-size may be the perfect watch for you. I think the mid-size is a great choice to go up to without going all the way up to the large. It looks really great on the wrist, it's very comfortable to wear with this great stainless steel bracelet, and it looks beautiful. And this size also has the date, which is of course a very handy feature. But if you want something even a little bit larger than this, we can go all the way up to the 29mm large size, which also has a date and is also incredibly comfortable. It's got a slightly more masculine appearance because it's this larger size, and also because it's kind of this stainless steel look, but I think it looks great. I think all three of these watches are a great choice for ladies, especially that little one, but I think the mid-size and the large would look great as well. So if you are in the market for a Cartier Panther for yourself or for someone that you love, you should check out our entire Cartier Panther line at SwissWatchExpo.com.